it.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Let's go, Gigi!
Kiki is an instantly likable character with a drive and optimism that makes her a true role model for girls of all ages. The film also boasts a great amount of humor, particularly from Kiki's adorable sidekick Gigi, and some heart-racing action sequences once Kiki really kicks her broom into high gear. Seeing Kiki overcome all challenges, personal and external, is part of what makes this film a treat for all audiences.
Here we go!
Number 3, Howl's Moving Castle.
Now, straighten your legs and start walking.
Based on the novel by Diana Wynne Jones, this fantasy flick follows Sophie, a beautiful girl turned into an old woman by a